Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. Come over here. Join me for my late snacks. Hold on, I'll just take some alcohol because I keep on holding lots of things, money and other not so dirty. Hi. Yes, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Want it? Root beer, French fries, baconator. Love it, love it. How about nuggets? Where's the sauce? Hold on, hold on. Ah! I'm panicking, I'm panicking. That's it. Yes, it's my birthday today, guys and gals. Wasn't able to, and I don't have plan to cook. And I'm thinking who's gonna be my guest, but my mind is so preoccupied. Maybe next year or maybe next month or I don't know. I'll just keep it posted. This beer. Thank you to all my viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Nuggets. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. To all my Facebook viewers, to my mother Bicol Fe Abordo, my sister Christine. Helen Careto out San Local Legazpi City. My childhood friend, thank you for watching. To all my lovely countries, hello Philippines, United States, Canada, Indonesia, China, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Indonesia, and teach everyone here. Getting milk. I forgot. I should not to have this first yet. Bye for now. Thank you.